Today we bring this 1918 Dodge Brothers Touring back, slowly, carefully, in its original dark black. No rush, no shortcuts, just patient hands and honest work on this dark black Dodge. All right, 100 years of dust. This is going to be a fascinating restoration. The wear on this wheel is incredible. Over a century of history in this grain. All right, time to bring this old lady back to life. All right, now let's get you hooked up to the front axle.
Yep.
Perfect. Take it slow, don't want to damage anything.
Yep.
Just a bit more tension should be good. All right, just a little more tension. Secure. Ready to go. All right, you've arrived, exactly as described, a true basket case. Good luck. All right, slowly now, watch the wheels. Good, she's home. Okay, here we go. Oh, looks like we've got some pitting to address. Yeah, and a few good dents. All right, slow and steady. Just enough to get these stands under. All right, time to tackle this one. Should be a fun battle. Let's see what we've got here. Give it a good turn. All right, gently now, pulling it off. Right. It's coming off slowly. Just got to clear the hub. There we go. Set it in the tray. Don't want to damage it. There. The rear wheel on this 1918 Dodge is coming off. It's original black with plenty of wear, grease, and dust. All right, let's get this first one off. There we go. Needs a good cleaning. All right, hood panel off. Check for any bending. Looks good. Perfect. We're getting there. All right, let's take a look at what we've got here. It's a bit rough, but all the character is still there. All right, clamps are loose. Handling this gently into the bin. Next. All right, first one's out. Let's ease this away carefully. Take a look at these rust trails. Looks like it held up pretty well under there. Yeah, protected metal. Now on the rack. All right, easy does it. Careful now. Got it.
Good.
Good. Now just the table. All right, time to remove the canvas. Careful, it's pretty brittle. We'll need to clean those bows up next. This is the original passenger seat. It's really dry. Watch the springs. Years of dust down here. All right, screws are out. Gently lift it up. Keep an eye on the rust and mind the insulation. All right, gently. These original gauges are incredibly fragile. Notice the oxidation on the bezel and that original dull glass. We need to preserve every detail. All right, let's get this loose. Slowly now.
Yep.
Carefully does it.
Yep.
Got it. Easing it out. Down onto the cloth. Time to tackle the door hardware on this Dodge.
Yeah.
Carefully removing the latch mechanism.
Yeah.
Getting these pieces preserved and ready for restoration. All right. Now for the trim. Gentle touch does it. This is the deep cleaning stage for the 1918 Dodge Brothers Touring. The thick white foam clings, loosening the dirt before the final wash. Got to get into these spokes. This is deep grime.
Yeah.
There we go, that's lifting. Almost got it. Rinse, see that? Cleaner already.
Rigorous. The oxidation is stubborn, but the microfiber pulls off the surface contaminants, revealing the original black underneath.
All right, time for the deep cleaning stage on this original 1918 canvas top. The fabric is heavily soiled, so
you can see the distinct difference here. The left, freshly wiped, shows the potential. The right, still caked in years of All right, let's work on this engine component. It's time for the deep cleaning stage. The fenders from this 1918 Dodge Brothers Touring are undergoing deep cleaning. Watch as we rinse off the foam to reveal the original dark black beneath. You can really see the difference it makes, bringing that grain back to life. All right, final touches here. Getting into the tight spaces to make sure every hose and casting detail is spotless. The Dodge is coming along nicely. These original black parts are cleaning up beautifully. Good. Let's start reassembly tomorrow. All right, time to tackle the rust on this old Dodge. Lots of spots marked. All right, time for the first pass on this Dodge fender. We really need to get this rust out before we can do anything else. Just need to take off these high spots for now. The masking is key here. Every edge needs to be perfect for the primer to adhere evenly. We're almost ready.
The texture is perfect. Let's let it cure before we move on to the next stage.
All right, panels prepped. Just need the tack cloth to pick up the last of the dust. Good, ready for paint. Welcome to SK Restoration. Today, we're building depth on our 1918 Dodge Brothers touring panels, moving from bodywork to finish. All right, let's see how this dark black matches.
The color's perfect. The alignment needs a little more work.
Yeah, a little tweak on the fender.
This gentle motion ensures the compound works evenly, breaking down imperfections.
Look at that depth. It's really starting to shine through now. The bodywork is flawless, and the deep black paint gleams perfectly. It's ready for final assembly. The paint line is perfect. Excellent coverage, clean edge, precisely how we want it. Perfect. All right, time to tackle the rust on these 1918 Dodge Brothers running boards. Getting that original dark black finish right is key. This is the original hood panel for the 1918 Dodge Brothers Touring, fully restored to its period-correct finish. Notice the depth of the dark black paint. The clear coat is complete on these fenders. We've done the rust removal, the bodywork, and now they gleam. This is the final buffing pass, removing any micro scratches from the rust removal and bodywork.
The depth in this black is exactly what we were aiming for. It's ready for the next stage.
With the bodywork complete and gleaming in its original dark black, we are now ready to tackle the chassis and mechanical restoration of this 1918 Dodge Brothers Touring. All right, first bolt loose. It's tough, but it's coming. Needs the right touch. All right, just finishing up the final cleaning on these jets, then we'll get this assembled and back in the 18 Dodge. The ignition system is the heart of the engine, and we're taking the time to make sure these points are perfect. Now for a final wipe. There. All right, time to clean up these old Dodge brakes. That's much better. Now for the brake cleaner. Inspection looks good, let's get them aligned. All right, pins cleaned, now for the insertion. Checks for smooth travel. Perfect, ready for the pedal. All right, rust is gone and they're greased. Now to get them all stacked back together. All right, slowly does it. Just a little more. Perfect, it's in. Now, for these bolts,
Perfect fit. The line is secure and ready to go.
Precision in the details. That's what makes the difference.
all right, front wheels on. Just need to tighten these nuts and she'll be standing on her own again. Perfect, getting closer. The wood on this Dodge is beautiful, but the grime is deep. Just a little cleaner, now the elbow grease. Look at that grain, the real beauty is finally coming through. All right, alignment is critical here. Just a slight adjustment to get it perfect.
Looking good, Bob. Precision matters.
Exactly. This The wood is cleaned and conditioned with a gentle satin sheen. Tiny chips remain, telling its story. Now ready.
All right, perfect fit. Time to secure it.
All right, this is going to look fantastic.
All right, gauges are sitting straight. Just tightening these up and we're good to go. All right, let's get this perfectly lined up and secure it with these bolts. There, centered and solid, excellent. Perfect, smooth as silk. All right, that's the last fastener. Looks perfect. Excellent work.
The chassis is done. The interior is perfect. Now all we need are the fenders, the lamps, the hood, and the running boards. We are ready.
All right, perfect alignment.
Yeah.
And that's solid. Good to go.
The front fender fitted perfectly first time. Just a few bolts now, and she'll be ready for a test drive. Perfect alignment. Now a quick polish.
That's it. Yes, that's it. Almost there. Looking good. Just need to settle this final piece.
The trim goes in with a gentle click. Perfect alignment.
The brass badge fits snugly.
And a final wipe to ensure it's spotless.
If you want more quiet restorations like this 1918 Dodge Brothers Touring,
subscribe, and stay with the process. Like the video if the dark black finish and the slow ASMR rebuild felt satisfying. See you in the next restore.